Good evening. Good evening, everyone. How you doing? Hope you are fine. How was your weekend? Yeah. Today, I will talk about a very interesting topic, which I title "Using Leverage to Create Wealth." Using leverage to create wealth. So, uh, I want you to know that you can't create wealth without using leverage. Everywhere the person you have seen, or you have come across, or you have heard about, uh, he or she has used leverages to create wealth. So you have to know how to use leverage to create wealth. If you don't know how to use leverage, you can't create wealth. Yes, if you don't know how to use leverage, you can't create wealth. Make sure you invite your friends, invite your neighbor, invite everyone that Samrino is live, and make sure you share this link with your friends. Share it on your WhatsApp status, on your WhatsApp groups, on your Facebook. Share that Samrino is live. Don't be don't be the only one partaking of this meal. Yeah, let it bless people. Yeah, if it were to be gossip now, I'm very sure that you'll be sharing this. I'm very sure that you nobody will beg you to share it, but something that add value to people's life, people saying something that will improve human being. We are very selfish not to share it. But when it's gossip, when it will not help anybody, when it will cause depression to people, we are quick to share it. Don't be like that. So be a carrier of goodness, be a carrier of adding value, be a carrier of something that adds value to other people's life. Yeah, as I was saying, I can't create words. Have I mentioned my name? Okay, know my name, but I'll still mention my name. Welcome to Wisdom for Wealth Creation. Yeah, my name is Samuel Adenu. Okay, let me write down. So you must know how to use leverage for you to create wealth. One of the different or what differentiates one of the things that differentiates the rich and the poor is leverage. The rich know how to use leverage. The poor don't have any idea, or they don't know how to use leverage. Simple. Yeah, anybody you have seen that has created wealth for himself and has passed it on is a person who knows how to create and use leverage. There are a lot of leverages I mentioned. There are a lot of them, but I just mentioned seven. Yes, I just finished one of my books, and in that book I talked about leverage. So in that when the book is published, I think that will be the first book I will publish in hardcover. Yeah, I'm working on that. I want the book to be in hardcover so it can reach many people's hands, and because yeah. So when the book is out, uh purchase the book, yeah, and read it. So one of the things that differentiate the rich and the poor is the leverage they use. The rich they know how to use leverage, the poor don't know how to use leverage. So the first leverage you must know how to use if you want to create wealth is other people's knowledge. Other people's knowledge. Yeah. And I told you that I'm a Christian and I'm a Bible believing Christian. The Bible says in Proverbs 23:23, it says, he that walk with the wise will be wise. That means that if you want to create wealth, you must leverage on people's knowledge. You must leverage on people's wisdom. You must leverage on people's experiences. Yeah, what you want to accomplish, some people have accomplished it. So you have to submit to the body of knowledge they carried, maybe in books, in courses, in seminars, submitting to mentorship. Yeah, you can leverage on the knowledge of your mentor to create wealth. You can leverage on the knowledge of your of people around you to create wealth. One of the things what the people know how to one of the things they know how to do is that they know how to combine resources. Yes, they know how to combine resources. They know how to combine the knowledge of A, of B, of C together and to create words from themselves. They will collect knowledge from this one, they collect the knowledge of that one, they collect knowledge of this one, and they will combine everything and they will create what with those body of knowledge. So you must know how to leverage people's knowledge. Yes, you must know how to leverage, and not leveraging people's knowledge comes in different way. You can read their books, you can subscribe to their YouTube channel, you can go to their seminars, you can submit to a mentorship, you can pay or you serve them. Yes, that's what the Igbo apprenticeship model is. You submit to the body of knowledge of your mentor, of your boss, for maybe 5 to 7 years, depending on the term of the contract or the agreement. So you submit to his knowledge. He keep teaching you, okay, this is what to do, this is what to avoid, this is how to buy this is how to buy goods, this is where to buy it, this is how to negotiate, this is how to talk to customers. Hope you can show some love. Thank you so much. So you must know how to leverage on people's what knowledge. No knowledge is wasted. Just imagine Dangote now. Yes, it leverage on people's knowledge. Some people have gone to school to study accounting. Some people have gone to school to study petroleum engineering. So it's leveraging on their knowledge, what they have what they know. It's leveraging on it to create wealth for himself. So it's not the one that is doing his bookkeeping. It's not the one that is that is on time, or how will I say it now? It's not the one in the final. No, it's not the one. It's leveraging on people's knowledge. Those people have given themselves to a body of knowledge for a long time. So it's leveraging on what they know to create wealth for himself. So as it's leveraging on their knowledge, it's creating wealth for himself and it's creating wealth for them too. Let's move to the another one. You must know how to leverage people's money. Yes, other people's money. Wealthy people know how to leverage other people's money to create more money, more wealth for themselves. I cannot say a wealthy person create who does not leverage on other people's money to create wealth. You see Dr. Sulaiman Akitayo, you see Dangote. Dangote virtually borrowed money from every bank in Nigeria. So every bank in Nigeria. The money you put in the bank, Dangote goes to the bank, he borrow it, and he used to build a refinery, to build a cement factory, to build sugar factory, and a lot of companies. So it's expanding its web using other people's money. So a smart guy once said that the rich, they go to the bank, they borrow money from at a certain percentage or at certain rates. They go and do business with that money at higher than that certain percentage, and they keep the rest. That means that, let me just explain so that you can get what I'm saying. Assuming they borrow money from the bank at the interest rate of 10%, just for example, you go and do a business that can return 25%. That means that they return the 10% to the bank, and they will keep the 15% return on that investment. So you must know how to use other people's money. There are some projects you cannot do alone with your money. You must know how to partner with people. You must know how to raise funds from people, maybe your family, from institutions, from friends, venture capitalists. You must know how to use other people's money. Tesla, Elon Musk use other people's money to fund that project. You see a lot of companies, a lot of unicorn, they use venture capitalist money to fund their project, to build their companies. So you must know how to use people's money. So that means you must have a business that is working, a profitable business, because nobody will borrow you his or her money if you have not used your own money to do that business. Many people, they want other people's money. Okay, I want to assume some people someone, I want to do this business. I think if I write a proposal to my uncle, if my uncle can give 400,000 or 500,000 to start this business, how much have you saved? Have you done the business with your own money before? No. So you must use your own money and use other people's money. So for you to use other people's money, that means you must have been using your own money ahead. So you use other people's money or to use other people's money to create or to enlarge the channel. Dangote, Otedola, all of them, they are using other people's money. Hope you are enjoying me. Another point is other people's credibility. Yes, it is easier for someone to endorse that to be going on your way. Yeah, it's easier for someone to pull you up than to be going up by yourself. Yes, if someone endorses you, if you can change your name from that your surname to Dangote, if Dangote will endorse it, you can use that Dangote endorsement. Will be able to you can leverage on that credibility to create wealth for yourself. If a governor endorse you, you can use that endorsement to create wealth. That's why a lot of musicians, this is done in the entertainment industry. If a bigger musician endorse a smaller or upcoming artist, he will use that credibility to create and to build his influence. So you must know how to use people's credibility. Your mentor, that one must be a person of character. If you are not a person of character, nobody will give you his money. Nobody will give you his or her credibility because that person has built his reputation for a long time. So, and you cannot dash it away. So you must be a person of character. You must be quality relationship with that person who want to endorse you. So if you want to create what using someone's credibility, you must have quality relationship with that person. You must be a person of character. And you must be ready to serve that person. Many people are not ready to serve. They just want people to serve them. And life is not like that. You give before you collect. Before you take, you must give. Before you reap, you must sow. That's it. So if anyone, if Tony and Melu endorse your business, do you know what that means to you? Do you know the caliber of people that will be doing business with you? I was listening to Dr. Stephen Octavio. He was saying that the moment people saw him with former President Obasanjo, like the caliber of people who are calling him, that's endorsement. If that is a person who has gone ahead of you, if that person endorses you, you will create wealth for yourself. So that means why you must be a person of character. You must be a wise person. Yeah, nobody wants a foolish person around him. You must be an asset. You must be an asset. Nobody wants a liability. You must be able to add value. Nobody wants a parasite. Yes, nobody wants a parasite. So you must leverage on other people's credibility. That's what many people do. They leverage on people's credibility. Okay, I'm the junior brother of Dangote. I'm connected to this governor. This senator knows me. All those stuff they use to create wealth and to keep building wealth for themselves. Another thing is other people's time. Yes, you must know how to use other people's time. Yes, you cannot build a and big company and create wealth without using other people's time because you are limited. Yes, there are a lot of things you cannot do. Your potential is limited. You can't be in London and in Nigeria at the same time. You must leverage on people's time. Those people's time must be productive for you so that more money can come to you. That's what Dangote does. He leverage on many people's time. The drivers, those people working in the factory, those people in the accounting, in the finance department, those people in the marketing department, those people in the sales department. He's leveraging on their time to create wealth for himself. So the more time many people give you and the more productive the time are or the time is, the more you're able to create wealth for yourself. So you must know how to leverage people's time to create wealth. The fifth thing I would say is other people's product or services. You must know how to use other people's product or service to create wealth. Many people have used Facebook to create wealth for themselves. They are not the owner of Facebook, but they leverage on Mark Zuckerberg's service to create wealth. Many people have used YouTube to create wealth for themselves. They call themselves YouTuber. Why? Because they are not the owner, but they are making like thousands of dollars every month. So, or some people they are using other people's products. They are selling other people's product as a baby, maybe as a athlete marketer, or they are selling that product because they don't have the capacity to manufacture or to produce. They are selling it and they are collecting commission, and they are receiving a lot of money. Many people have built houses. Many people have built they have done a lot of things because they are selling other people's products. They don't have the products of their own, but they know how to sell. They have the skills of they have this skill of marketing and sales. They are good at it, so they are using that skills to create wealth for themselves. or to manufacture a product, it will be very costly, it's very expensive, but they can leverage on other people's products, and they will be able to sell. So if you want to create wealth, you must know how to use other people's products. You must know how to use other people's service to create wealth for yourself. Technology makes life easier. Some people have leverage on technology to create wealth for themselves. So you too must know how to use that. The sixth thing is other people's idea. Yeah, many people. That's why you must surround yourself with valuable people, with people you can have conversation with, intelligent conversation with. Yeah, if you can do that, you're able to create wealth for yourself. Yeah, you can be exchanging conversation or exchanging ideas with some, and this idea will come to you. Okay, do this, do that. You can be talking with your mentor, you can be talking with your friends that are intelligent. It can be in another place, or you can be looking at someone's product, and an idea can come up to you. Oh, I can improve on this product, I can improve on this service, and you're able to create wealth for yourself. So other people's idea, you can leverage it to create wealth. The final thing I would say is other people's skill. Yeah, other people's skills. Yeah, you can use it to create wealth for yourself. Yes, some people are skillful in sales, they are in coding. Assuming you want to, your company want to release a software to make your work to be efficient, and you're not good at coding, you can leverage on someone who is good at coding, who's good at programming, to code, someone who's good at marketing to market the software, someone who's good at sales too. Level someone who's good at finance. You combine those skills together and you're able to create wealth for yourself. As a leader, as a person who wants to create wealth, you must have leadership skills. You must be resourceful. Many people they have a lot of resources with them, but they are not resourceful with those resources. That's why they cannot create wealth. If you can know how to combine someone's skills, someone's time, someone's product, someone's money, someone's energy, someone's credibility, someone's knowledge, if you know how to combine those resources together, if you can be resourceful with what you have, what you have at your disposal, you could be able to create wealth. I hope this has been so valuable to you. Uh, Join me next week.